Earth's oceans. There are 5 major oceans that make up our planet. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. It also has the deepest waters. The Mariana Trench is 11,304 meters deep and 2,250 kilometers long. The Pacific Ocean has very bad weather. Many bad storms form out in the open ocean every year. There is also a lot of volcanic activity in the ocean. There are many small volcanic islands, such as Hawaii, Tonga, and Samoa. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. Under the Atlantic Ocean lies a mountain range called the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. The Indian Ocean is smaller than the Atlantic. It usually has gentle breezes. However, from the months of April to October, monsoons form over the ocean. They carry a lot of rain into India that causes terrible floods. The Southern Ocean is the 4th largest ocean. It is a very cold ocean. Because it is near Antarctica, ice covers much of the ocean in winter. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest of all 5 oceans. It isn't as deep as any of the other oceans, but it is one of the coldest oceans. Ice covers the central part of the ocean all year round. Whales, polar bears, walruses and seals rely on the freezing waters and ice of the Arctic to survive.